Hello again, everyone. This is the Daily Dose, and welcome back again to another Hot Wheels review. And this time, we will take a look at this beautiful black Pagani Huayra Roadster here. So, some info about this car. This one was included, or was one of the cars in the 2018 Hot Wheels Exotic 5-pack. So that 5-pack, one of my favorite 5-pack actually. It included two Lamborghinis, which I will also showcase to you guys in our future videos. But first, let's take a look at this black Pagani Huayra Roadster here. So beautiful details on this Pagani Huayra. Take a look first at the details, the back of the car. It says Pagani Huayra right there. The Hot Wheels logo, the taillights, even though it is small, it is also detailed, as you can see. Some three tiny dots right there to the left and also to the right of the car. Comes with 10-spoke bronze rims, which looks cool. I prefer this one to be red because the car here is in black and red, so red rims might actually look better on this one. But anyways, I can't complain much about that. Here's the front of the car, well detailed as well. You got some racing stripes right here. Interior is also beautifully done, as you can see right there. So front of the car, detailed headlights as well. I don't know if you can see those tiny dots. So those are paint details done beautifully from Hot Wheels. So this one has plastic base, as what most Hot Wheels main lines have. And yeah, just a beautiful car overall. Do you like this one or not? Well, actually, I'm a big fan of the Pagani Huayra, and yeah, this is a gorgeous casting. So I'm not quite sure how many Pagani Huayra Roadsters I have, but I think I'll showcase some of my collection to you guys. So yeah, anyway, that is all for our review for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave a like and comment and subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye, peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye, guys.